Hey, what's going on? So somebody had a question about how to reduce the size of the quantity box on Shopify. So if you look here, um, this quantity box right here that you can adjust how many products are in your cart. They want to see how can you reduce the size of that. So I'm going to break down to you very simply how you can reduce the size of this quantity box. So what you want to do is once on your admin, you have your themes. What you want to do is click these three dots here and then go to edit code. Once you edit code, let me see, it's right here. Once you edit code, you want to go to the assets folder. So click on assets and then look for the file component cart items.css. This file is where you can adjust or manipulate what's happening in the cart. So I'm going to show you the code that you want to do. So let's just come in here, get an empty space, and put this code in here. Quantity, and then inside the code, transform scale 0.5. Now you can adjust the 0.5 to make it look like how you want it to, but this code here is going to allow the quantity box to either get big or get small. So let me save this here so you can see what I'm talking about here. So if I refresh this page, you see it's smaller here. Now, let me move this here. Now let's say I put it at like this. Save that, 0.50, refresh the page. Okay, see now it's even smaller. And of course, now you need to adjust it to get it lined up. But you can see how with this code, excuse me, with this code, that whether you make it smaller or you make, now let's say you want to make it bigger for some reason. Let's do 1.25 like this. Save that, come here, refresh the page, something just to give it a moment. All right, see that's too big, but you see, you get the idea of how with this code you can adjust this. So let's just um put it back to one. But you can, so this is the code that you want to add. Component cart item.css, add this code, you can adjust the size of your quantity box. So hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to implement this, if you have any other questions, please feel free to send me an email. I'll be glad to help you out with your Shopify store. Once again, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, if you'd like me to set this up for you, please feel free to reach out, send me an email, and I'll be glad to help you out.